So the next question is design the campaign structure, specify campaign objectives, bidding strategies and budget. So campaign structure is slightly complicated, but we'll still try to revisit some of the theory and then implement it. So if you recall, this is how a campaign can be. Within a campaign, there are multiple ad groups. You can have 2 ad groups, single ad group, 10 ad groups, you know? And within each ad group, there can be multiple ads and also landing page. So now the question arises: how to decide how many ad groups and how many campaigns? So ad groups is pretty easy in a sense. One ad group usually cater to one intent. So in our case, let's say an intent is find women gym, find best gym for women. So intent essentially is women finding gyms. So that can be one ad group. The second ad group can be maybe personal trainer. So person wants to find a personal trainer. So that can be second intent. Third intent can be maybe Zumba class. Fourth intent can be maybe just to find gym membership, normal regular gym, right? That can be fourth intent, and so on. So each of these intent can be one ad group. The second question is how do you decide which ad groups to club together? That is usually done basis budget. Let's say you have in mind that you want to spend at least 1,000 rupees on Zumba class. You know, so you will keep Zumba class in a separate campaign, only one ad set. You know? And you may also decide, okay, then between women, gym for women, gym for seniors, and gym membership, I don't care which ad group gets which budget as long as I am getting the best results. So these ad groups can be clubbed together under a single campaign. This is the example which I had explained in class, that in campaign 1 was based on diseases, that cataract, glaucoma, corneal transplant. So these are the 3 diseases which I want to have in a single campaign, and the second campaign was more generic, okay, which and that's the reason they were clubbed together. So here the rationale was that generic campaign, generic keywords I wanted to spend certain amount of money, and disease specific keywords I wanted to spend specific amount of money. That is why they were in different campaigns. So for our question, what I've done is I've just kept a single campaign, and each of these ad groups are different search intents. Another question which was asked is what was the campaign objective, or what should be the campaign objective? Clearly it will be a lead form fill or a call. So let's say if you have a gym, okay, so that's what you want, right? You want people, you want to collect their phone numbers, email IDs, names, so that you can call them, you can ask them to come visit the gym for a trial or just to have a look, and you need the contact information. That's why campaign objective is lead form or call. Then bidding strategy is maximize conversion. So you want to get as many leads as possible. So if you recall this particular slide, there can be different bidding strategies, and the best bidding strategy which fits is maximize conversion. Next is the budget. So to decide the budget, you can go to this sample sheet which we had created. So the one which are highlighted in cyan color, these are the ones which you can change. So let's say you want to get at least 50 conversions in a day, and on an average cost per click, it's 20. You can get this from the keyword research. So when you're doing keyword research, right, you can kind of get an average of this number and put it here. Let's say the cost per keyword is ₹15 and conversion rate is 5%. 5% means out of 100 people who are visiting the page, at least 5 of them will fill the form. So if you do this, okay, then you need to have a budget of at least 15,000 per day. So you can add some numbers here, take a screenshot and paste it in this assignment sheet here like this.